Welcome student. Today's topic is merger table. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about merger graph. What is the need of merger graph? What is the definition of merger graph? How to draw a merger graph? Why we go for the merger graph? Because we go for the merger graph because we want to ultimately reduce the incompletely specified machine. I also talk about how to reduce a finite state machine by using state equivalence. And we have seen that in case of incomplete specified, when the number of when some output is missing, some next state is missing, then what is the procedure to reduce the incomplete machine? First we have to go for the merger graph or merger table. Then we have to draw the compatibility graph, and ultimately we will find the implied pair, and then we will go for the minimum closing. In next lecture I will discuss about the compatibility graph. Right now I am discussing about the merger table. So you can whenever you are going to reduce the incompletely specified machine, you go for merger graph, or either you go for merger table. So in this lecture we basically concentrate on merger table, how to draw the merger table. Sometimes when we dealing with the machine with a large number of state, maybe 10 state or 15 state. So when the number of state is large, it may be more convenient to record the compatible pair and their implication in a merger table. Why? Because if the number of state is much more, then if I want to draw a merger graph, then it is very difficult to find out what are the implied pair, and we have to completely we can say that uninterrupted arc, uninterrupted edge, and interrupted edge is very difficult to find out. So whenever we deal with the machine with a large number of state, so we always try to go for the merger table, which is very easy. Now the question is, how do I draw the merger table? So it's a table, so in the form of, you can think as a matrix. So where we consider, we already know that how to draw the matrix table. So when we consider row and column, okay, but here we will think as a triangular matrix, okay. So let me draw this graph. Let's consider this example. According to this example, I am just drawing the merger table. So then I will discuss what is the meaning of each of the cell and how you will represent the merger table. So here number of state is A, B, C, D, E. So number of state is 5. So you will draw like this. First, okay. So here, since we are going to find out the compatibility between the two states, so that means A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, you already know in case of merger graph. So same thing we are going to do here. So first we will write A, B, C, and D. So I will write the number of state less than 1 in case of row, okay, or you can do it in other way also. So here the number of state is 5, but I have just mentioned A, B, C, D. Why? I am just telling you right now. And start from the next state. Next state means the first state, so I will start from the second state. Second state is B in this example, so I will continue B, C, D, E, okay. So why? Because when we compare with the implied pair, so entries in the cell of Sij are the pair implied by the Sij. So it means whenever if I write AA, so there is a trivial solution. So I will not go for AA, BB, CC. So that's why I have just in row I have just removed a number of state, whatever the number of state, minus 1. So that means here there are 5 states, so I have removed 5 state. So minus 1 means 4th state. So I will start from A, B, C, D. and here I also do the same thing, but here I start from the second step BC. What will happen? So whenever look at this, how we draw the merger table. So whenever I will draw, so I will get a cell from A to B. Okay, then similarly if I want to get from C to B, so let me draw this table first, then I will explain individual cell what is the meaning. So here this cell is mean that A and B. Okay, this cell means A and C, this cell means A and D, this cell means A and E. Okay, so we can think as a reverse way also, BA, CA, DA and EA. Okay, similarly this cell represent BC, this cell represent CT, this cell represent DE. Now the question is, instead of when we are drawing the merger graph, instead of merger graph, when we are drawing the merger table, each cell of the table, so there are so many cells, so each cell of the table corresponding to compatible pair defined by the intersection of row and column heading. So here intersection means here A is a column, and row heading is D. So that cell is represent AD, just I have just mentioned. And the incompatibility of two state is recorded by placing cross. So whenever I mean to say that whenever I will put a cross across this cell when we got a incompatibility. Okay, so whenever incompatibility I will put a cross, and whenever we got a compatible pair, so we will place, when I will got compatible pair, so compatible pair, then we will place a right sign. Okay, understood? Now in this cell, so let me compare with each of the state to find out the compatibility. So first compare A and B. So first we have to think, recall it the previous lecture about the merger graph. First we have to think there is any output conflict or not. So same thing, here is no output conflict, here don't care, 0 don't care, so output not conflict. So there may be a, and H like this, there may be a pair. So then next state we have to think about the next state. So is there any next state compatibility? So here E, here don't care, so E 0 we can think, BD and BC. So this cell when we compare with AB, so I have to write BD and BC, and after completing all those cell, then I will again recheck for compatible pair whether this thing is happen or not. Okay, so next is compare AC. So output no conflict, no conflict, no conflict. Okay, EE, BD, CC. So BD is only, right? So let me put BD here. So next AD, compare with AD. So output 0 0, don't care 1. So means there is no problem of output, only with CE and BC, CE and BC. Okay, so we can write BC and CE here. Same thing we are doing in the form of table. AE, now compare AE, output 0 0, don't care, no problem. Now CE, next state conflict, CE and BC. So CE and BC. Okay, we can write BC and CE. Okay, no problem. Now come to the next cell, that is BC. So compare with BC, output, output, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, 0 0. So only DD, so only BC. Okay. Now, and here BC is BC, so that means it is a uninterrupted arc. So we can write it here right now. Okay. We do not need to write BC because the BC implied BC. So that means if BC will hold, then BC will be hold. So that means it is trivial solution. Next, go for this cell. So BD, compare with the BD, don't care 0, don't care 0 1. So there is a conflict. So we put cross here. Whenever we got the incompatibility pair, then I will cross here. When we got compatible pair, then I will put a right sign. Okay. Then next one is BE. Now compare BE, don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care, no problem. BB, DD and BE in CC. So no problem, it is a we can say uninterrupted cell. So put right symbol here. Okay. Now this cell is represent CD. Okay. CD, compare CD, output is don't care 0, don't care 0 1. So it conflict. No, this cell will be occupied by cross symbol. And now compare this cell CE. So don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care. So there is a pair. So now BC and CE. So we can write CE, CE, and so let me think. CE is CE, no problem. So don't have to write. Okay, only we can write BC. That will be better because sorry. Next is DE. Now compare DE, 1 1, don't care 0 0. So there is ends. Then CC BB. So it is an uninterrupted cell, right? Now whenever we want to recheck the self whether this implied pair hold or not, AB hold is not. So due to this incompatibility, so once again first think about the cross symbol. So DC, DC or sorry CD, CD is present anywhere? No. Now consider this one BD, BD is present? No, this BD is not hold. So that means this one is not going to hold. Now again think BD, here BD is not possible. So this cell is not possible. So this true is cross, and BC is possible, BC is possible. So that is why it is also possible, right? And BC is possible, CE is also possible, CE. So CE is hold, that means this one is hold, BC hold, CE hold, this one is also hold. So that means only we got 1 2 3 4 place of the cell is cross. So let me check once again. So what is the compatibility? You can start from right column also, or you can start from left column also. So whatever you are going to write. So first, for example, in this example I am going to write AE first, or you can write AD also first, no problem. So you can write AE. So let me write. So in this way if I start, so I will get the polymorgans polygons. So that is why we start from any of the end, whether because we want to find out the polygons in the merger table. So that is why we can start from right hand side, or start the rightmost column of the merger table of the machine and propose the left until a quantum is complete. So we can start from here, we also start from here. So if I start from here, first what is the state? So we can write DE, okay, you can write DE, and then we can write CE, okay, CE, and then we can write BC, BC and BE, BC and BE, and here we can write AD and AE. So that is my compatible pair. So we can also reduce, because look at the state BC, BE and CE. Okay, so we can reduce CE, BC, BE. This is my compatible pair. Okay, so now you can write in this way. So B, C, because we want to find out the subgraph, so polygon is very important to reduce the number of state. And if I write in this way BC, CE and B, so we can reduce in a single state BCE. So let me reduce, we can reduce D, BCE and AD and AE, AD and AE. We also reduce DE. Okay, so that's all about the merger table. And let's see another example, quickly recap through another example. Let's consider the example 2. Here I have taken the 2 input instead of 3, we have taken a 2 input. So this is my input E0, B0 if I1 and B F0, A0. So we can write E don't care, C not. So in this way, let's consider this one. So first I have just written the state, because here the number of state is A, B, C, D, E, F. So 6 state, I have written 5 starting from the second state B, C, D, E, F, and I have just written A to B less than 1. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so this is my merger table. And then we have to come again, we have to repeat this same step, we have to repeat the A, B. So let's consider the output. So 0 0 0 0, so no problem, but only the conflict pair is out state. So EF, so I am considering A and B, so here EF and AB, so you can write AV and EF. Okay, similarly if I consider AC, output 0 0 0, don't care, so no problem, EE, no conflict in the next state, so only BC. So let me put BC here, let me put BC here. Okay, now consider AD. If I consider AD 0 1, so output conflict, no H, so let me cross here. Okay, so AD 0 1, output conflict, no problem. AE 1 0, again cross here, and AF consider, so 0 don't care, 0 0, so there is a H, BB and DE, so only DE. Okay, now similarly go for the next one, BC 0 don't care, 0 0, so H, and AC and EF, so I can write AC and EF. Okay, and the next one is BD, compare BD 0 1, so there is no H, no cell, compatible cell, so you can put cross here, and consider the CD. In case of CD don't care 1 0 0, there is a H, but CD and EF, so we will only write EF. Okay, no problem, because CD is trivial, so we only write EF. Now consider, oh, I have to complete this one also, BF, sorry I forgot, BF 0 1, so I have to put cross here, and then again BF 0 don't care, 0 don't care, 0 0, so AB and DF, so let me write AB DF, AB DF. Now consider this one, CE, compare CE, so don't care 1 0 0, so CC EC, only EC, so EC, so that means it's a trivial solution, so we put right symbol here, right sign here. So next CF, CF, don't care 1 0 0, CC, EC. So CF is only considered EC. Okay. CF, consider this one. So DE and BC. So let me write BC and DE. Okay. Now consider this one DE. So consider DE 1100, output CD and FC. So CD and CF. Okay. Now consider this one DF, DF 1 don't care 00, so BD and DF. Okay, DF is DF, so we only write BD. Now consider this one EF, EF, CD, CD, no problem, CD and BC. So you can write BC and CD, BC and CD. Now first let me check this one. So this one is cross, so that means AD. So is there any AD here? AD, 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 no. So no problem. Now consider AE, AE here, any? No. So next consider BD, 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 BD here. So put cross here. And any BD here? No, no, no. Now consider BE, BE anywhere? BE, no. So now consider this one. If BF is not possible, so DF is not possible, so put cross here DF, because this is DF, so that is also cross. Okay, and we got this cell. So we have AB, EF, so AB, AB, so no problem. So EF, that is BC is also correct, AC is also correct, this one EF is correct. Okay, DE is correct, this one is also correct, and this one also correct. So CDEF, that is also correct. So let me write the compatible pair, so you can also reduce. So here consider from this one, I am just writing from right hand side rightmost column. So first is FE. Okay, so FE again. So this cell is called DE, so DE, and this cell is CD, or you can write CE first, CE, CF and CD. So you can write CD, and we can write CE and CF. Okay, and consider this one BC, BC, and this one also only BC in this cell, in this column. And the next one is AB. Okay, AB, AC, SC and AF. Now we can further reduce, and we can see that CD we can write in this way, CD, CD, EF. So let me write in this way. You can also reduce. So let me CD, E, F. Okay, CD, D, DF. Okay, no problem. CD, CD, CE and CF. Okay, DF is also possible, DF is not possible, it should be DE. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. So DE, FE, then DE. Okay, so CD, DE, EF, EF and DF, CF, it may be CF. Okay, so it's a complete polygon, so you can write CD, CD, EF. So you can write C D E F. If I minimize, then again I can say A B C A F. So I can write A B B C and C A. So you can write A B C. So similarly you can reduce, and so A B C and A F. So you can reduce in this way. So this that's all about the merger table. And in the next lecture, so in this lecture I have just shown how with two example how to draw the merger table, because most of the time when we are, the number of state is much more compared to the previous one 3-4 states. Say in case of it is 10 state, 15 state, 20 state, so it is very difficult to draw a merger graph and find out all the incompatible pair, interrupted arc, uninterrupted arc is very difficult. So in that sense we can go for the merger table, and when the merger table or merger graph has been completed, we continue to construct the corresponding compatibility graph for a, to find the closed subgraph in order to obtain the smallest closest set of the compatibilities. So in next lecture I am going to discuss about the compatible graph, which is very